If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please try to subscribe to the channel. This video that you are watching presently, make sure you like it. Don't just like it, make sure you comment and after it. So we'll be taking this side of Makosa, is another side of Makosa entirely, and I will take you through for beginners, intermediates, and whatever class you have. So let's take it. I'm using tempo 130. Something like, the Lord is my shepherd. If you don't want to use the normal chord. So we are going to trick the word, both chords though. Both chords. So, but let us take it. So let's say, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Olúwa ni olùṣọ́-àgùntàn mi, èmi kì yóò sùn. Sorry, I'm not able to sing the song very well. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. That we're going to treat first before we play the regular chord for it. So what I'm playing on the right hand, the song is, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Yeah. That song was sung by Yinka Ayefele. Olúwa ni olùṣọ́-àgùntàn mi, èmi kì yóò ṣe aláìní, something like that. Ó mú mi dùbúlẹ̀ ní something. So welcome again. As I'm explaining, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please take the time to subscribe. Please, okay? Like, you see that something like this. Like, and make sure you put a comment down there, okay? So the thing is, I'm playing on F as well. Do, so, do, re, mi, so. Like the so still. So, do, re, so. I'm using the second inversion. So, do, re, so. That's not the gist. Now, so, do, re, mi, so. So, do, re, mi, so. La, fa, do, la, do, si, so, la, fa. Did you get it now? you sing ti sol la fa so mi? For those people that are there is a solo that I'm going to introduce maybe later, something like that, so we are going to treat that solo later. So it's something like that. Si sol la fa so mi, so do re mi sol la fa do la do ti sol la, so do re mi sol la fa do la do ti sol la ti sol. I mean la sol so fa. So now let's go now. So do re mi sol la fa do la do ti sol la sol. Si sol la fa so mi, di do do fa do la do ti do la. Okay, la sol so fa so do re mi sol la fa do la do ti sol la. For those of you that complain that my tutorial is very fast for beginners, now I'm trying my best to break it down for you people. You must comment too. Comment and make sure you like it, okay? So do re mi sol la fa do la do ti sol la. For beginner, do. See where I started. Not that you will not get to church, you'll be playing as if, see, I'm not your own boss. If you are taking tutorial here and you just go out and you are playing one for funny thing that is not, honestly speaking, nobody will be happy with you. Let your playing style, let it be unique. For Christ's sake, you don't have to rumble everything together before. Like, let it be unique. Let it be unique. So take note of this tutorial now. Do. So and another thing is, see, if I want to keep all this knowledge within me, I can keep it. I can keep them, and I will attend to my regular students here. But if you are taking tutorial here, take your time to even practice this very well. It is better for you to stand out anywhere you find yourself than just to play the regular thing that every other person plays. It is very hard before you can see me succumb to whatever anybody plays anywhere or whatever. I will create my own. I will come up with my own creativity, and the one that I think will be better than what this one is playing. And if it is not better, I will know that this is my own creativity, and whatever here is hearing this kind of a thing, I will know that okay, you are listening to something. So do it first. Do your left hand first. Do fala something fala fala so something fala. Come on. Shine not one. The Lord is my shepherd. I shine not one. So now we'll play the song. I will play the song right there, and you have to follow it. The Lord is my shepherd. more creativity to So that's all about that one. So if you have not subscribed to the channel before, please kindly take time to do that now and turn on the notification button so that whenever I post video you'll be able to see it very fast, okay? If that's fine by you, thank you.